All right, first look at the G-Wagon. Rust is heavy on the panels, missing the front bumper entirely. Interior needs everything. The VIN plate is heavily corroded but readable. Moving to the frame rails now. Significant structural rust right here by the engine mount. The scan looks good. For $500, this has massive potential. Let's see if she starts. She runs. The scanner confirms deep corrosion along this section. I'm noting the depth on the tablet so we know exactly what we're up against before we start treatment.
Scanning the frame rail now, the sensor is picking up severe internal corrosion here. I'm marking this section for a cutout and replacement panel.
All right, that's the rust gone. Now for the finish. Torque specs next. Just smooth this out. The finish needs to be perfect before paint. Okay, adjust the pistons. Settle at 0.5 millimeters deviation. Torque looks good. Release the tension here. Check the contour, needs a few more taps on this edge to align the frame.
Measuring the tension values now. Almost perfectly aligned.
All right, VIN matches 3G2WP6Y42S123456 Tension values are within spec.
Matching this black finish is critical. Next, we verify the VIN and use the calipers to check the dimensions of the headlight assembly. Now we carefully install the new piston rings. This needs to be done precisely to ensure a perfect seal before we lower the piston back into the block. We torque the connecting rod caps precisely to specification. Next, we use the alignment tool to secure the camshaft and install the new timing belt. Now for the satisfying part. We use the torque wrench to secure the 30 bolts in a cross pattern, ensuring they meet the manufacturer's precise specifications.